As you're about to discover in my NutriBullet Pro 1200 review, this 1,200 watt personal blender packs a serious punch, doubling the power of the original NutriBullet. You'll love how it pulverizes even the toughest ingredients like turmeric root and kale, maximizing the nutritional potential of your food. The Pro Plus 1200 comes with some nifty features that set it apart. Its pulse function lets you create chunkier textures for salsas, while the hands-free 60-second blend time takes care of your smoothies. You'll also appreciate the auto shut-off feature, which stops blending once optimal extraction is achieved. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just rinse the blades with soap and water and toss the cups in the dishwasher. The included to-go lids make it easy to take your creations on the road. Crushing ice and pulverizing tough ingredients is a breeze with this powerful blender. The Pro 1200's robust 1,200 watt motor tackles everything from frozen fruits to leafy greens with ease. You'll appreciate the stainless steel extractor blade's impressive ability to break down seed, stems, and skins for smoother blends. The pre-programmed pulse function adds extra convenience, letting you easily create chunkier textures when desired. Plus, an auto shutoff feature prevents overprocessing, ensuring optimal nutrient extraction every time. While the Pro 1200 excels at creating silky smoothies, it may struggle slightly with very large frozen chunks. So, for best results, cut ingredients into smaller pieces before blending. Setting up and operating this powerful blender is a breeze. You'll appreciate the intuitive design that makes daily use a snap. The cups and blades twist together easily, and the one-button operation couldn't be simpler. Just press down to blend or tap for the handy pulse function. You don't have to memorize any complicated setting or press loads of different buttons. It really is one of the most user-friendly blenders available. Your NutriBullet Pro comes with a range of handy accessories to make blending a breeze. You'll find 2 cups in the box, 32 ounces and a 24 ounces, perfect for different portion sizes. The to-go lids are great for taking your smoothies on the road without spills. You'll also get lip rings to smooth out the edges of your cups for comfortable sipping. A recipe book is included too to inspire your blending creations, which is useful if you're new to blending. Keeping your NutriBullet clean is super simple. After blending, simply twist off the blade and give it a quick rinse with soap and water. The cups are dishwasher safe, so you can pop them on the top rack for easy cleaning. This hassle-free maintenance means you'll be more likely to use your blender daily. For stubborn residue, try filling the cup halfway with warm water and a drop of dish soap. Blend for a few seconds, then rinse thoroughly. This quick method keeps your NutriBullet in top shape without much effort. Finally, just remember to wipe down the motor base occasionally with a damp cloth to keep it looking fresh. Next up in my NutriBullet Pro Plus 1200 review, let's look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, powerful 1,200 watt motor crushes tough ingredients with ease. Pulse function allows for more control over texture. Convenient to-go lids make it simple to take your drinks on the move. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Compact design doesn't hog counter space. Includes multiple cup sizes for versatility. Now for the cons. May be louder than some other blenders due to high power. Limited to personal-sized portions. Not suitable for hot liquids or ingredients. If you're looking for a powerful personal blender, then the Pro 1200 might be your perfect match. With 1,200 watts of power, it easily pulverizes tough ingredients like kale and turmeric root. The pulse function lets you control texture for chunky salsas or smooth smoothies. Busy lifestyles will appreciate the to-go lids and hands-free blending. Just set it and forget it. The auto shutoff ensures optimal extraction. Cleanup is a breeze too, with dishwasher-safe parts. But it's not all smooth sailing. Some users find it noisy, and it's only good for personal-sized portions. So, is it worth the investment? If you're a smoothie enthusiast or looking to boost your nutrient intake, the Pro 1200's power and convenience make it a solid choice.